Good morning, student. In the earlier chapter, we have discussed about quality of population, and today we will discuss about the unemployment. Even unemployment plays a very important role in the people as resources. So, unemployment, it is nothing but unemployment exists when people who are willing to work are going wages cannot find jobs. The workforce includes all people from the age of 15 years to 59 years. Children and elderly people 60 years and over are not included in workforce are not be considered as unemployed. So, nature of unemployment in India. In case of India, there is unemployment in both the areas. Both the areas means rural as well as in urban areas. In rural areas, there is a seasonal and disguised unemployment. And in urban areas, have mostly educated unemployed. So, now we will discuss about these points. Seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment, it is nothing but it happens when people are not able to find jobs during some months of the year. Example, people depend upon agriculture. Disguised unemployment, when all people appear to employed but the work required less number of person, the unemployment is disguised. For example, a small farmer entire family is working on the plot, although all may not be required to do so. Now, educated unemployment, it is nothing but where the people are little bit educated. In urban areas, many young people with matriculation, graduation and post-graduation decreases are not able to find jobs. This situation leads to educated unemployment. A manpower situation is observed when surplus of manpower is certain categories coexist with shortage of manpower in others. Now, effect of unemployment. Unemployment has a harmful impact in the overall growth of the economy. Increases in unemployment is an indicator of a depressed economy. It also wastes the resource which could have been gainful employed. So, we will discuss some of the points unemployment affects in the following way. First, unemployment leads to the wastage of manpower resource. People who can be an asset for the economy turn into a liability. Feeling of hopeless and despair occurs among the youth. People do not have enough money to support their family. Unemployment trends to increase economic is overloaded. The dependent of the unemployed or the work population increases. The quality of life of an individual as well as society is adversely affected. And last, there is a general decline of health status and rising withdrawal from the school system. Now, labor absorbing sector of economy. Even agriculture is the most labor absorbing sector of the economy. But unemployment is the sector as declared because of disguised unemployment. The surplus people have moved to the work in the secondary and tertiary sector. Small scale manufacturing absorbs most of the labor in the secondary sector. New employment opportunities are emerging in the tertiary sector, that is IT, biotechnology, call centers and other service areas. Thank you. So now I am sending some of these videos of question answers. Only the tick questions can be done.